Introducing the all-new Rotomatic Escalator deep cleaning machine from Escatechnique. This is the latest in escalator cleaning technology and replaces previous bestseller, the Rotomac ET15B. The new Rotomatic comes packed with revolutionary new features designed to save you time, effort and money. Designed, manufactured and assembled in the UK using cutting-edge technology, the Rotomatic is the culmination of 15 years of research and development. Not only are the ergonomics and ease of use greatly improved, but there are many new features too. An industrial-grade touchscreen interface. This allows much more control over the machine and displays helpful information about the current status of the machine, including alerting the operator to any faults or aiding with the operation of the machine. New revolutionary self-cleaning technology. The Rotomatic is the first escalator cleaning machine in the world that can automatically rinse clean its own internal brushes and components. And it couldn't be easier to use. When you've finished cleaning an escalator, fill the tank with clean fresh water, turn the lever to self-clean, and then simply select the self-cleaning button on the touchscreen. Rotomatic will now run an automatic self-cleaning cycle. This feature significantly reduces the time-consuming maintenance of the machine after it's finished cleaning escalators. The Rotomatic is also the fastest escalator cleaning machine in the world. It has 5 cleaning programs for varying levels of dirt, with the shortest being a lightning-fast 10-second rapid clean program. This delivers up to 33% faster cleaning performance over the ET15B. The Rotomatic features dual-step drying technology. A powerful 3-stage turbine motor sucks dirty water away from the steps, while a powerful stream of air simultaneously blasts the steps dry, so they're ready for immediate use. The Rotomatic saves you time on refilling and emptying the detergent tanks with its large 20-litre capacity. This is almost double that of the ET15B's 11-litre detergent tanks. And even though the Rotomatic has bigger tanks and more features than ever before, it's actually smaller and lighter overall than the previous ET15B. This now means Rotomatic can be transported in smaller Caddy Connect-sized vans, saving you money if you move your machines from site to site. But it's not all groundbreaking new features either. The Rotomatic boasts many subtle refinements too. Inside the machine, the brain of the Rotomatic now uses industrial standard logic controllers and high-spec motor controllers. Escatechnique have added an extra level of quality and durability with the chassis panels too. They're still made from 8mm 6061 aluminium plate, but now these panels go through a hard anodization process, making them incredibly hard-wearing, durable and completely corrosion resistant. Almost every component on the Rotomatic is made from aluminium, stainless steel, or another high-spec corrosion-resistant material. This ensures true value for money and an exceptionally long operational lifetime of 20 years or more. Engineers at Escatechnique have continually refined the machine, and the new Rotomatic now represents the most radical and technologically advanced machine to date. It's the 6th generation of automatic escalator deep cleaner manufactured by Escatechnique in the UK. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at service@escatechnique.com.